Every successful business decision starts with knowing where you stand. SWOT analysis is your strategic mirror, reflecting what you do well, where you struggle, what opportunities await, and what threats lurk around the corner. Let's start with strengths. These are your internal superpowers. What does your organization do better than anyone else? Maybe it's your talented team, your patented technology, or your loyal customer base. Weaknesses are the cracks in your armor. These internal limitations hold you back. Perhaps it's outdated equipment, skill gaps in your team, or weak brand recognition. Honest assessment here is crucial. Opportunities are external factors working in your favor. Market trends, new technologies, competitor weaknesses, or changing regulations can all open doors. The key is spotting them before others do. Threats are external dangers that could harm your business. New competitors, economic downturns, changing customer preferences, or disruptive technologies. You can't control them, but you can prepare for them. The magic happens when you combine all four elements. Your strengths can capture opportunities. Your weaknesses might expose you to threats. This interconnected view reveals strategic insights no single element could provide. To conduct a SWOT analysis, gather your team for an honest brainstorming session. Use customer feedback, market research, and financial data. The more diverse perspectives you include, the more complete your picture becomes. Remember the key distinction: strengths and weaknesses are internal, things you can control. Opportunities and threats are external, forces you must respond to. This framework keeps your analysis focused and actionable. SWOT isn't just analysis, it's a launchpad for strategy. Match strengths to opportunities for growth initiatives. Address weaknesses that expose you to threats. Convert your findings into concrete action plans. SWOT analysis remains one of business strategy's most versatile tools. Simple yet powerful, it provides the foundation for informed decision-making. Start your next strategic planning session with SWOT and watch clarity emerge from complexity.